Hi everyone, it's Deanna Allen. I just wanted to take a little time to show you a little bit about my presentation as a sneak peek using the Screencast-O-Matic for today's demonstration. Some of the things that I'm working on are some of the do's and don'ts of using social media within the business world. And one of the things that I've kind of come up with is that you should always have your social pages and profiles updated in a professional way, and that it's best practice to separate your business and your personal accounts. So this is the social media etiquette for business owners, do's and don't from social marketing, and that's really good advice to kind of start with. And then I kind of branched off a little bit here, and it talks a little bit about the benefits of social media for brand building. And for a non-for-profit like ourselves, that's kind of really important because we want to get our mission out there. We want people to know what it is that we're doing. So some of the benefits of social media for business is that it gives us an opportunity to increase our brand. It also gives us a chance to humanize our brand by telling our stories, and establish us as thought leaders in the organization of what we do. So those are some of the positive attributes to being on social media as a organization. But then we talk a little bit about connecting with people on social media and how that can go wrong too. So when you're posting, you're leaving yourself open for people to comment on the things that you're saying and you're doing. And if you can see here, it says you have the ability to damage your professional relationships with people. Your customers can decide that they don't like you, and that can be very dangerous. This I was kind of a little bit surprised with, and I don't know why, but sexual harassment isn't uncommon, and it can damage your credibility. So this is all coming from how to balance between personal and professional social media. It's from Entrepreneur website. So some really great kicking off points for me for my presentation, and I'm looking forward to researching a little bit further. In this journal for marketing and business, one of the things that I found here too is that social media is a really inexpensive ways to get your message and your vision out there. So that was interesting as well. So I guess the rule of thumb here and what I'm seeing is that it's really good to keep your profiles updated, be very careful of what you're posting, and be very professional in what you are trying to accomplish. So that's kind of my starting off point. I'm going to branch off from there a little bit. These are some of the sites that I've used. If you want to check them out, I can post the links into my discussion board, and you guys can look at it, or you can also check it out once I complete my presentation. Thanks, everyone.